What's up, my country people, my brother, my sister? Another one don't boss you. My brother, my sister, no be small thing wey happen in Ghana. No be small thing. It's a sad day in Ghana right now. Very sad day in Ghana. I'm telling you. Because what really happened in Ghana right now, in fact, may all their soul rest in peace. Almost 8 top ranking officers, military officers, by in the plane crash.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome the President of the Republic and the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And he is accompanied by the First Lady, Mrs. Lordina Mahama.